Welcome back to yet another episode of the xploreUXCast, where we help you make sense of your users or your customers. In this episode, I am going to share a case study where data-driven design succeeded.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
When we talk about data-driven design, we mean making design decisions based on actual user data rather than assumptions or personal preferences. The idea is to let data guide the design process to improve usability, engagement, and overall success. And what better way to explore this than through a real life case study? Let's look at Airbnb, a company that transformed the way people book accommodations. While their growth story is widely known, one particular shift in their design approach demonstrates the power of data driven decision making. Now, let's analyze how they identify problem through data. Airbnb started with a simple idea, connecting travelers with hosts who had spare rooms. However, in their early years, they struggled to convert visitors into actual bookings. The traffic was there, but users were not following through with reservations. The team could have guessed at possible reasons, but instead, they turned to data. By analyzing user behavior, they identified a significant issue. Listings with low quality photos were much less likely to get booked. Users didn't trust what they saw, leading to hesitation in completing transactions. The data showed a clear correlation between high quality images and increased bookings, proving that visuals played a crucial role in decision making. Instead of simply advising hosts to upload better photos, Airbnb decided to take a proactive approach. They launched a professional photography program, offering hosts free high quality images taken by skilled photographers. This decision wasn't based on gut feeling, but on the clear evidence that better visuals would lead to higher conversion rates. To measure the impact, Airbnb tracked listings before and after the introduction of professional photos. The results were undeniable. Properties with high quality images saw an immediate increase in bookings. This not only validated their data driven approach, but also reinforced the importance of investing in user experience improvements backed by real insights. The success of this initiative encouraged Airbnb to further refine their platform using data. They didn't stop at improving images, they also leveraged data to optimize search results, personalization, and pricing recommendations. For example, they introduced an algorithm that analyzed user preferences and behavior to present the most relevant listings. Instead of a simple location based search, the system factored in previous searches, booking history, and even browsing patterns. This made the platform more intuitive, helping users find accommodations that best match their needs. Similarly, Airbnb used data to refine their pricing tool. Many hosts were unsure about how to price their properties competitively. By analyzing market trends, seasonality, and user demand, Airbnb provided pricing recommendations that helped hosts maximize bookings while ensuring fair rates for guests. Another key aspect of data driven design is listening to users and continuously improving based on their feedback. Airbnb closely monitored user reviews and support interactions to identify common pain points. One notable example was the issue of trust. Despite the improved visuals and personalized recommendations, some users hesitated to book due to safety concerns. To address this, Airbnb introduced a series of trust building features. They refined the review system, added identity verification, and implemented a messaging system that allowed guests and hosts to communicate before booking. Each of these changes was driven by user data, ensuring that real concerns were being tackled in a way that enhanced confidence and usability. Now, let's talk about measuring long term impact. A truly successful data driven approach isn't just about immediate wins, it's about long term improvement. Airbnb's commitment to using data for design decisions led to sustained growth and a better user experience. Their photography program, search algorithm, pricing recommendations, and trust building features all contributed to higher engagement, increased bookings, and greater customer satisfaction. By continuously refining their platform based on data, Airbnb solidified its position as a leader in the travel industry. So, what can other businesses learn from Airbnb's success? First, data should guide decisions, not personal assumptions. Identifying pain points through real user behavior is the best way to ensure that solutions truly address user needs. Second, small changes backed by data can have a significant impact. Something as simple as improving image quality resulted in higher trust and more bookings. This shows that design improvements don't always have to be complex, they just need to be relevant. Finally, ongoing optimization is crucial. Data driven design isn't a one time fix, it's an iterative process that involves testing, learning, and refining. By continuously analyzing user behavior, companies can stay ahead and ensure that their products or services remain valuable and user friendly. Final thoughts. Airbnb's journey demonstrates the power of data driven design. By identifying pain points, implementing solutions based on real insights, and continuously refining their platform, they achieved remarkable success. This case study highlights the importance of using data to inform decisions, ultimately leading to a better user experience and business growth. That brings us to the end of this episode. I hope this case study has given you a clear example of how data-driven design can lead to tangible results. If you enjoyed this discussion, make sure to subscribe for more insights into user experience and design. I'm Obru-ke, and I'll catch you in the next episode of the xploreUXCast. Cheers, and have a good one.